Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So see, in today's video we are going to do a comparison, basically a comparison between the recently launched or recently unveiled Poco X2 versus our old Realme X2, means both the X2 devices. So see, if we first look at the Poco X2 device, then the hardware, the build of the hardware build of the device is exactly same as it was launched way back in China on the Redmi K30. That means the Redmi K30 and the newly unveiled or newly launched or new mid-range killer device Poco X2 are exactly similar in terms of hardware. Only the difference that you can notice is that there is a note that is written that is designed by Poco. Only that thing has changed, and actually that sounds a little bit funny, because how they can design a phone like within a month and then name it also like designed by Poco. So it is just a rebranded. That means the overall conclusion for these, both the comparison between the Poco X2 as well as with the Redmi K30, is that it is just a rebranded device of Redmi K30 4G variant, which comes with the Snapdragon 730G. Now if we look at the comparison between the Poco X2 with the Realme X2, means both the X2 devices which are available in the mid-range section, then the very first thing that you will notice is the display. And in terms of display, Poco is a winner, because you will be getting a 120Hz display panel as compared to the AMOLED panel which is present over the Realme X2, and the screen size is also bigger or greater of Poco X2. Secondly, if we look at the camera department, then the camera department quad camera setup is available on both the devices, but in the front Poco has a dual camera setup and Realme X2 has a single camera setup. So again Poco is a winner. In terms of battery also, Poco has got a greater battery as compared to the Realme X2. In terms of processor, only both the devices are same, means both comes with a Snapdragon 730G. So that is fine, that is acceptable. But after this overall comparison between the specification, and if we look at the RAM variant and the prices at which these RAM variant and storage variants are available, then I will recommend you to go for a Poco X2. Yeah, see, the device, the main highlight of the device is that only that 120Hz display panel or refresh rate that you will get in this mid-range section device, that is not available, and I do not think that will be available from any of the brand in coming months or like never. So I will recommend you to go for Poco X2. We will compare that with the Realme X2, and although it is a rebranded phone, but you must look at what you are getting, actually what you are paying and what you are getting at that price point. So go for Poco X2. It is a damn budget killer device or extremely affordable device. Yeah, till then, signing off. See, I have just made a video on Android One, that means you should purchase Android One or not, but recently I have just received an update of Android 10 on Android One, that means on my MIA 2. So I will be doing a first impression and how it will work on Android One, means how is it going to be better than, or about the Android One, that to Android 10 on MIA 2. For that, stay tuned and peace.